we can practice JK flip-flop simulation using Quartus from here. So open the software. Select this new project wizard option. Next. Here for your new simulation program for JK, create a new folder and you can assign one name and select that folder. Then you need to set the name for your project, so we can assign some name. Next, then here you have to specify the file name. It should be the same name as your project name, so keep the same name as your file name here. Next, then in this page under this board you have to choose this DEOCB develop option. Next, here in the simulation you have to choose model simulation Altera option. Next, finish. See, now we can open a new blank file which is of the form Verilog HDL file. Here you can type your JK flip-flop simulation program. I have the program, so we can copy this and we can paste here. Now we can save. Next, here you have to choose that files option. See, your file is available here for the simulation. So right click, set it as top level entity. Then you can start the compilation now. See, here it's showing that progress of your compilation. That compilation is done. See, here it is showing 100%. The compilation is successfully finished. Now from this tool option you choose this run simulation tool and this RTL simulation. See, another window is now available here. Open this and here under this RTL work, click on this plus. See, your file is here. Then right click and choose this create wave option. See, here all that variables of your simulation program is listed over here. From this, JK and clock are the input variables and Q is your final output variable. And thus remove that output variable Q first. Right click, edit, delete. Now here all that input variables are listed over here. Again right click over this file JK, then choose the simulate option. See, another set of variables listed here now. From this, drag that output variable Q and place it over here under this list. Now you need to set initial values for JK and clock for that inputs. Okay, so right click over this J, edit option, wave editor, create modify waveform, keep it as clock under this patterns. Next, initial value keep it as 0. Clock period for the JK flip-flop, try to keep the clock period in the range from 0 to that 75. Then you can analyze that waves easily. So for the first one we can keep it as 20. Finish. The first one is initialized and see the wave is available here for J. Next we can initialize second input K. Again edit option, wave editor, create or modify wave, keep it as clock itself. Next, initial value 0, keep it as 50, clock period, finish. For the clock, it's again another input, right click, edit, wave editor, create or modify wave, clock, initial value 0. Now we can change this with the clock period value which is less than 100, like we need to keep that clock period in the range from 0 to 75. Then you can analyze the waveform easily. Okay, so keep that initial value 0, clock period 75. So input variables are initialized now. Then we can run the program using this run all option. See, our output wave is available here now. Now we can analyze. See here in this option, j equal to 1 and k equal to 0. 1 0 means we know this is the case for set. See, what is the value of current value of q? Here it is 1. Then keep this one some another position, like some with some positive clock edge, where it is after the positive clock edge. With 0 1, with the 0 1, see here with j equal to 0 and k equal to 1, with clock equal to 1, the q is 0. This is the case of reset. When j0 k1 means reset, so the output is equal to 0 here. So this is that output waveform for your JK flip-flop simulation.